Like, subscribe and press the bell icon for more videos from PH and Learn. For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.
Hello all, welcome back to the material design tutorial of Android Studio. So in the last video we had learnt about text input layout and how to add it to your design. Now after this edit text I want a button. Okay. So let's add a button control. We will use the normal controls and then we will design them according to our requirement. So I have a button, width, wrap content and end of button. We will give the text property to this button as click. Okay. Now what I want is, I want it to the center, so we will use gravity center. If you want some margin from the top, so margin top 50 sp. Now what I want is, to make the corners of this button round. It depends on your application whether you want it a completely round elliptical button or just little bit round. Okay. So to make it round we have to add our own customized background to this button. Okay. To this button we have to add our own customized background and we have to make that background on our own. So how to design that background? See, first of all, so we will go to this drawable folder. Till now we were dealing with layout, and what was the use of drawable folder? It was used to store different icons, different images. If you have to use an image, we store it in drawable folder. Now we are going to use this drawable folder. So right click on the drawable folder, go to new, drawable resource file. Here you will have to give a name to your file, let's say btn_background and click on OK. So it will create a new file btn_background.xml with a selector tag in it. Here we have to design our background of the button as we want. Okay, so inside this selector tag we have to go for first item tag. Inside this item I have to design a shape, so I will go with the shape tag. These are different XML tags used for designing purpose. Okay, selector, item, shape. Now here we are going to design our shape. So first tag that I will use is stroke. To this stroke I will first give width. Okay. First I will type down the code and then I will explain it line by line. So I will give width as 3 sp. And then I will give color as, let's say, 000 for now, and I will close this stroke tag. Let us change this color. So we will make this color as, let us keep it black. Okay. So as you can see here in the preview, a outline is generated. So this stroke is nothing but the outline of this shape. If you want it to be more thick, you can increase the width. If you want it more thin, you can decrease the width. Yeah. So, and if you want it in different color, you can change the color also from here. Right now I have given it black. Now after this, I want to fill this shape. I want to fill this outline. So to fill this outline, we have to use solid tag. Solid color #000. We will end this tag and we will change this color now. Let's say, so let's change this color to something bluish. So we'll go to blue. So this is my blue background with black outline. If you don't want outline, you can simply remove the stroke tag or you can add 0 sp width. Both are same. Okay. I will keep the outline of 3 sps now. I want its corners to be round. So for that purpose we have the new tag corners. Okay. Now here you have to specify the radius of all the 4 corners. Okay. So bottom left radius, let us say 10 sp. As you can see here, the bottom left has been 10. Similarly, so yes, bottom left, after that we will write the bottom right radius 10 SP. Then you can mention top left radius 10 SP and space top right radius 10 SP. So as you can see, the corners are round, okay, and you have to close this corners tag here. So I have defined a shape, and for the shape I have first mentioned the stroke, then I have mentioned the background color, and then I have mentioned its corners. So we have completed the design of our XML file. I have given radius as 20 SPs to all the 4 sides. Now let's see how to apply this file as a background to our button. So we will go to our activity main.xml file. Here in the button tag, I will use the property background, and here you have to select the name of your file. So I will go for btn background. So as you can see, the designed file has been applied here and the shape of the button is now changed. Let's execute this and check the output. So see here, the button shape is now changed. Okay, if you want it to be less rounded, you can decrease the border radius, corner radius from the btn background.xml file. If you want to change the color combinations, you can change it from here. Okay, let's say I want red and black, so I will select red color. Okay, so the color button will change. So in this way you can customize the designs. You can have circular buttons. So in case if you want a circle, whole complete circle, the height and width of a circle should be same. So instead of wrap content here, what we will do is we will make the width 100 SP and height also 100 SP. Okay. Now if my width and height is 100 SP, what should be the radius? Here it should be around 30 SPs for all the corners, so that the button will look like complete circle. Okay, so let's change it to 30 SP in the btn background, and now no, it should be 50 because half of 100 is 50. So the radius should be completely half. Okay, yes, 50, 50, 50 SP and 50 SP. Okay. We have changed the radius. So as you can see here, now our button is completely round. So in this way, by manipulating the radius of your design file, you can change the design of your button completely. Let's execute it to check the final output. So this is how my rounded button is now looking like. This is it for this video.
For more videos, download our app from the Play Store.